These are our two steers here. Today is their last day here on the farm. Tomorrow we will butcher them, and here's the first and last time they are getting some grain. They are grass-fed 100%, and they are almost 2 years old now, and they are ready to go. Yeah, we'll see how it goes tomorrow. It's the first time that we are actually butchering a cattle here on the farm, and yeah, I hope everything goes well. Yeah, I'm sure they will be a delight for us and our family and friends. I'm thankful for it.